Here's how to make the Blocky Roblox avatar. So the first step is to click on your avatar, then click on customize at the top, and then from here we just have to go to body. Now where it says body parts, click on it, then go to torso and then click on apply. Now if you have something selected like this one or this one, you just have to click on them to unselect them. Then you just have to go and do the same thing for each one of these. So we have the right arm, so you just have to deselect those. So as you can see, I already have that, but if you have them like this, you just have to click on it. So simply go through each one of them and make sure nothing is selected if you want to get the Blocky Roblox avatar. So as you can see, you may have this one as an example. So if you click on it, you'll get the old Blocky one. So make sure to do the same thing for everything that you see here. Then after you go to full body, you can go and click on the head, and then from here you can simply choose any of these. Now if you don't like this, you can simply click on it, and then here you have the head adjustment, and then we have the head shape. So you can choose here whatever you want. So you can choose this block one, and basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.